Ride with the wind.
What's going on, guys? This is John over here at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson, showing you guys the bike of the week. We got a 2009 Softail Deluxe. A couple nice custom features on it. Here we got the chrome bars. We got aftermarket Harley-Davidson chrome mirrors with the 2 mirrors in them. We got all chrome controls, chrome buttons, aftermarket chrome grips, braided brake lines, braided clutch line. We got the Stage 1 Screaming Eagle air filter here. Aftermarket exhaust, sounds really nice, really deep. Back here we got the detachable backrest, quick release detachable backrest. Up here, if you look, we got a custom gauge. The bike's got less than 6,000 miles on it. It's a really low mileage bike. Again, guys, this is John with Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. Come down and see me. We'll get you on the bike of the week or the bike that fits you right.
Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.